Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the Fulfillment Scheduler to quickly create a schedule for a varying number of employees over the course of a day. Here is the scenario. A manager of a small souvenir shop has 3 employees to schedule for today. Each employee has a different number of maximum total hours to work today, as well as different availability times. Business is expected to be slow in the morning, ramp up at 12, and ramp down for the rest of the afternoon. To reflect this, we will need more employees in the middle of the day compared to the start and end. Given these conditions, an ideal schedule should allocate the corresponding number of hours to each employee and fulfill our demand. The employees' shifts do not need to be continuous, and there may be breaks in between their shifts. To get started, we'll head over to snugscheduler.com and click on the Explore tab. The scheduler we'll select is the Fulfillment Scheduler. First, we'll specify the hours from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., and we'll reduce the schedule to a single day. Now, in the schedule located on the right, we'll want to input our varied demand schedule. We can just select as normal to accumulate the selections to specify the demand that we want. If we want to reduce the selection, we can do so by clicking on the area. Now that we've finished with that, we want to input the employees and their availability times. So we'll start with the first employee, and he only wants a total of 4 hours or 240 minutes. And on the schedule input, we can specify his availability times. Then we repeat for the other 2 employees. After we finish specifying all the conditions, to get the final schedule, we go to the right menu and click on Run Scheduler. Now we can see that the program has given us a summary of the schedule. So it was able to find a valid schedule that fulfills all of our demands throughout the day, and as we scroll to the right, we can see the specific start and end times for each employee. You can try the Fulfillment Scheduler yourself right now. Start scheduling over at snugscheduler.com.